Hello future freelancers! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the exciting world of freelancing. We'll discuss how to start your freelancing journey, find clients, manage projects, and more. Whether you're considering freelancing or just starting out, this video is packed with tips and tricks to help you succeed. Let's dive in. Section 1. Identifying your skills and niche. The first step in freelancing is identifying your skills and choosing a niche. Whether it's writing, graphic design, or web development, focusing on a specific skill set or industry can help you stand out and attract the right clients. Explore platforms like Coursera, https://www.coursera.org/, and https://www.linkedin.com/learning/, to enhance your skills and knowledge in your chosen niche. Section 2. Creating an online presence. Having a strong online presence is crucial. Create a professional website or portfolio showcasing your work, skills, and testimonials. Platforms like WordPress, https://wordpress.com/, and Wix, https://www.wix.com/, can help you set up your site. Also, leverage social media and freelancing platforms like Upwork, https://www.upwork.com/, and Fiverr, https://www.fiverr.com/, to connect with potential clients and other freelancers. Section 3. Setting your rates and creating contracts. Setting your rates can be challenging. Research the market, consider your experience, and don't undervalue your work. Websites like Glassdoor, https://www.glassdoor.com/, can provide insights into industry standard rates. Once you agree on a project, create a clear and concise contract outlining deliverables, timelines, and payment terms. Websites like Legal Templates, https://www.legaltemplates.net/, offer free contract templates. Section 4. Finding clients and networking. Finding clients is often the most daunting part of freelancing. Start by reaching out to your network, attending industry events, and joining online communities and forums related to your niche. Platforms like Meetup, https://www.meetup.com/, can help you find relevant events and networking opportunities. Section 5. Managing projects and time. Effective project and time management are essential for freelancing success. Use tools like Trello, https://trello.com/, or Asana, https://asana.com/, to organize your tasks and deadlines. And remember, maintaining a healthy work-life balance is crucial. Set clear boundaries and allocate time for breaks and relaxation. Embarking on a freelancing journey can be rewarding and challenging. By identifying your niche, creating an online presence, setting fair rates, networking effectively, and managing your time wisely, you can build a successful freelancing career. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share it with aspiring freelancers, and subscribe for more insightful content. We'd love to hear about your freelancing experiences and tips. Drop a comment below, and if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover, let us know. See you in the next video.